You know, ngithi mangikhuluma with young boys when I motivate them kuma session wami, whether it's schooling or the church, ngithi one of the consequences of committing a crime is that chances that they're going to be caught uzoya ejele. And mawufika ejele as a young boy umuhle, mhlamba ngiyizwa ukuthi umuhle. When I say umuhle, I'm saying that you're handsome. You look beautiful. You look cute according to their standards. And your handsomeness become your enemy in prison. Ma ungene ejele umncane umuhle according to them upakile unezithe ngathi ziyabukeka. When they look at you, they see a woman. Imagine when you talk to the when they look at you, they see an object that is subjected to be sexually molested. They will pursue you, but ube intwana uhlale naye ube nomhlamba uzawutata wakho phana akusupport akudefend. If awufuni, they will force you. You know, I once witnessed a very painful situation. But I'm not going to mention the year and the prison because abanye abantu bazawuyazi. But I want to protect the dignity of the person that happened to him. Lo mfana mncane by age and little bit disturbed, of little bit mentally challenged. Yes, akahlanyena all right, but yambona ukuthi i-IQ level yakhe the way of doing things yakhe is not the same as us. And Lamfana, he was constantly, repeatedly being raped. Actually. Wonke umuntu ofika eselini makemutsha yazi ukuthi when you want to satisfy your desires sexually khona ubani. And when I look at the guy ngihle naye eselini, can't do nothing. You see a broken person. When you look at the guy, you see a shattered person emotionally and otherwise. Lamfana, as much as he was mentally challenged, he ended up becoming more. Today you find that kunabantu abazi lesbians of gays, and some of them, I'm not going to get into whether who is a gay, what is a gay, but I can attest to that some of people who are gays were sexually molested. Umuntu amolested to level ba ngokumbonga ukuthi ngosekayazicela manje. It first started as a force kuye. Umbonga akafuni, but at go to an extreme level umuntu sekuye manje wami ufuna ulalwa. To get my point, sekuye manje wami ufuna umolest. That's how traumatic level have gone that thing to a particular person. Now, rape on its own is very traumatic to a woman. A woman was created by God to have sexual intercourse with a man. That is nature. But when, as a man, you force yourself to a particular woman, as much as very indeed enayo sexual product, yes, of it shattered that woman. You kill that woman emotionally. Now, how much more a man who was created by God to be a man end up being made to be raped by another man? That attacks the self-image of that man. That attacks the ego of that particular person. That attacks the personality of that particular person. That attacks the self-confidence of that person. Some of them today have came out and become rapists. I will do the same thing, which doesn't justify that. That doesn't give an excuse to do that. Some of them and become a drunkard. But when they go out, they're angry. And the only way of having a coping mechanism is to drink and abuse alcohol or drugs. Some of them end up become. There was a guy who I changed, you know, high. Change kunyiwe, change funu pema. And abantu didn't understand ukuthi lo muntu lona manje manje umuntu uzova washing kitchen wabo thenge first washing for do you do the whatever ndo abe is khona isilini akitchen uthenge ilento drugs. And I understand the medical distance, because by the way I'm also a qualified lay counsel, to know that this guy no problem, and by him abusing these drugs is the only way of coping and suppressing the pain that he is going through. That is sad and that is painful. Baningi umvumuntu ukuthi next to you uyalalwa, and nendlela akhala ngayo ukuthi umuntu lona he's not in Glendo. Thula wena umongo uthi akafuni but uzokwenzani, because ijele iqala ngo-6, as I've said to you. Ijele sijele makuvula amagogo, but the moment kuthiwa igongo lavalwa, that's where the prison starts. The prison malivulwa ijele. So lo muntu yazi ukuthi there's no one can protect me for now. If I report the following day or 6 or 7 makubalwa kuparate by any complaints phakami. But even then, that's danger, because it might come back and haunt me. So I've experienced such and that those things yazi zona end up has been impact to go as a person. The moment they have happened to you specifically or personally, but psychologically that challenges you. You know, when you witness a traumatic situation, psychologists can tell you it affects you psychologically, physically, and emotionally. Because you never know what next. What if tomorrow can be me? You live in fear. You know what this can happen to me tomorrow. You live in fear. What next? If this thing can happen, I'm not gang raped by people. Then where's your safety? You know, where's your peace? And remember, we are but each on its own. It's a traumatic experience. Because the virtue of you being sentenced to be locked, because God have never created a person to be locked. God created a human being who's free, spiritual and physical. Now you have a trauma of being a sentenced prisoner. Uzuphinde futhi, you find yourself being traumatized by the very same person who's in the same predicament now. And you say that, where can I run to? Because you're supposed to be traumatized by amaphoyisa, then ubalekele ku-colleague yakho ethi bafethu kusizana. But if ever you are traumatized by prison itself, environment and setup, uphinde ngavo ukuthi being traumatized by people who are selling, it makes you not having hope. It makes you hopeless. It makes you feel vulnerable. It makes you feel not being protected. So in essence, hence I'm saying to you, think twice. Think before you leap. Because the consequences and the outcomes of your action might end up one day putting you in that predicament. The consequences of your choices and decisions in life might come back and haunt you tomorrow. That thing have created a monster to some of the guys. You know, kunabantu lapha ngaphandle that I've known from even before Phume. Kuta so and so phumile ngaphandle ufika ngadutyula. Wafa hayibo. So and so phumile ngaphandle wadutyula. And then when you go deep at the root cause of that, these things are prison related. In this sense, Usonso Lutula ngaphandle was the one who created enemies zakhe ngaphakathi. Usonso lo mhlawumbe ufika phansi wagwazwa pha ngaphandle wabulawa was the one ophume ejele any enemies. Athi umunye umuntu uzomthola. Yes, la ejele powerful. Yes, la ejele top boss, and I can do nothing about that ngoba I'm not being protected. They can outnumber me. I remember phela ejele ma phamisa isandla kumuntu oyi-1 oyi-gang. Yo hayi ke bakushaya bonke. So omnye komba rather let me ngithule ngiyamezela. But ngaphakathi lento yamudla athi umuntu one day mhla ngaphuma zihlangane into abahlangani kodwa abantu bahlangana. Mhla sagagaya mina naye zombonisa. And that thing have make it to escalate from ejele up to ngaphandle. Previously also kuthiwa into zejele ziphele ejele but not anymore. So what they're doing ejele izoba ukuthi mawuphume ngaphandle athi umuntu nawo ubani. Ovele thina ngaphuma mhlawumbe uzophuma qani naye wena. Umuntu athi mafike phone athi hey bafethu usonso lo ngangitshela ngaye wenza into ethile kimphumile. Anithetha ngakhona. Uthathe khona. So lando iphende ngokuthi if ukuthi some of the violence that is happening lana ngaphandle, it come out of that. Some of the things that are happening lana ngaphandle are being perpetuated inside. But there's this syndicate, there's this stream. So ijele, it's a place where the choice that you make mawufika ejele will determine the kind of person you're going to be. Ijele can make you worse than you were before if when you feel worse. Ijele can make you to become a better and a good person than you were before if now we have no change. Because the change starts from inside. Ama-program ejele akhona abekiwe abo-CIO officials the person who are rendering these programs bakhona, they are trained, babekiwe, but angema umama of ubaba oyi-control officer in front of me in a session akhuluma angise program acede. If mina ngitshe ngaphakathi uyadlala lo, angeke ngizwe ngaye mina, angizochange, ngeke uchange. So i-change start from within yourself. I-change iqala from ngaphakathi kuwe as individual. Into yokuthi, do I want to become a better person so that I can exit the system of ijele being a good person, or do I want to enter the system and remain within the statistics of disease? Ngihlale ejele instead of serving 10 years and penning serve 20 years, 25 years, instead of me getting parole in front of a profile I2, 3, 4 of my behavior. That choice ke mawuse ejele ke lies on you, no one else.